There's like a foam glider playing, tons of bottles of water or drinks, foam from noodles. Filthy, filthy. The oceans have been destroyed. Eagle, 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 eagle. Oh yeah, we may need to put a mask on, don't forget. Why did I get all itchy? Egret was flying, had something in its mouth. Swimming pool behind there. There's like a little water slide and stuff as well. I've never been in there. Some tennis courts next to it. I see people are playing or getting lessons or something. Oh no, it's actually 2 people playing, 2 women playing, or 4 women playing. Hot. I'm sweaty, man. It's humid. Is that a 31 200 watt Nismo? What? What's up, man? Surprised you're awake. Surprised you're awake. Donation goal, see me go down the water slide. It's tiny, man. Actually, the pools would definitely be shut from coronavirus still. That's something that did shut here. Not many things closed down here, but yeah, swimming pool, government libraries, that sort of thing. Pretty ladies playing? I don't know. I don't know about that. Golf buggies. People waiting to go play golf on an island out there. There's like 3 18-hole courses, a driving range, bunch of stuff. It's like I think it's one of the only public golf courses. I don't think it's the only public golf course though. It's still really expensive to go play though. Am I allowed to vape here? He's in bed